What if you could reach more customers, drive sales, and simplify your day-to-day in as few as 2 weeks? Welcome to SABX, the B2B and wholesale commerce platform with the digital tools to sell more and scale, and give buyers the self-serve ordering experience they want and need. It's easy to go digital with SABX. From the get-go, our SABX care team guides your transition. We'll get you up and running quickly with flexible online stores built to support your sales strategy. Now you and your customers can seamlessly manage orders, communication, and payment together on any device. With your media and product library, you have one place to organize products and manage images, cost, and pricing. From your dashboard, you can centrally manage promotions, tiered and bundling offers, payment options, terms, and order requirements. Updates happen live in your stores, no coding required, so your buyers never miss an offer and you never miss an opportunity. It's easy to track order status, message buyers, download purchase orders, and send invoices. SABX helps you build even closer customer relationships. Buyers love the smooth, self-serve order experience. They can quickly check personalized offers and connect to your store to place orders. Instead of emails, calls, and meetings, communication happens on SABX. Buyers immediately know pricing, product availability, and minimum order requirements and can ask questions right from the app. The conversation auto-links to their account and the order. You and your buyers digitally track orders and payments as they move through the system. It all happens with ease on their time. It's a digital world. To stay competitive, you need a B2B and wholesale commerce platform built for today's buyers. SABX is here to help you reach more customers, deepen relationships, and drive growth. Lead the competition with SABX.